Hello everyone, my name is Shikha Soni and I am working as an assistant professor in SIRT which comes under Saga Group. So today we will see how to solve circuit with the use of nodal analysis. So in previous section we had seen how to apply mesh analysis. Like first of all we saw that how to apply, how to find a loop, then in that particular loop how to use sign conventions to write down the equation. Now today we will see how to solve any circuit using nodal analysis. So nodal means that we are applying analysis on a node. Okay, so here we have how many nodes we have here. How to find node, how to identify is that particular point is node or not. So node where two or more than two branches or elements join. Okay, so if we talk about this C, so yes, it is a node. If I talk about A, yes, it is a node. If I talk about D, yes, it is a node. Now, first of all, we will understand that if we have three nodes, so is it possible to apply three equations on all three nodes separately, or among these three nodes we could choose on which node we'll apply the nodal analysis. So first of all हम क्या करते हैं, first we choose a reference node जिसको हम generally ground लेते हैं, and then we identify the node voltage with respect to the reference node. Okay, so here we have how many nodes? If I talk about CAD, those are the node, these are the nodes, and reference node is VB. Okay, so what is the voltage across VA? So we will see that VA across VA we have to find out, and for VB 0 and VC, so it is given plus 12 volt, and for VD it is given plus 6 volt. Now the third step is assume a direction for the current passing through each resistor that is adjacent to a node with unknown voltage. The directions are arbitrary. Label the current with an arrow and common sense numbering scheme. On your circuit schematic, here we assume that each current is going out of node A. Okay, so here we are taking from node A that each current is going out. Okay, and we know that if there is a difference in potential, then only current will flow. So we always write equation for nodal in form of V by R, where we take potential difference between two nodes, or we can take reference node ground as well. Potential difference upon R, which is usually an equation of I, current. So if there is a current which you can see is incoming or outgoing from that particular point, then we will write current directly I, the value of the current, and if there is a potential difference given, then we will write potential difference, and we will write the resistor across which current is flowing. Okay, so now we will see for that particular circuit how we have written down the equation. So for that we took that from this particular node all currents are leaving from this node. Okay, so first of all we will write down that R1, this is R1, this is R2, and this is R3. So across R1 current IR1 is leaving. For outgoing we are taking positive sign, okay? And for incoming towards node, a current which is incoming incoming direction, that we will take negative. So here we have taken what? All the currents, those are outgoing from that particular nodes, we are taking all them positive. So plus IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3 is equals to 0. Now, if I would say that current IR1, so what will be the value of current IR1 in terms of V and R? So we will see that current is flowing between these two nodes, okay? These two nodes, this node and the ground reference, okay? So basically I can write for IR1 that current here it is A, that it is the voltage between VA minus VCB, ओके? इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं अपॉन करंट R1, ओके? So VAB, this is how much is it? We have to calculate this. We can write A also, and VCB, that is minus 12. We will always consider that the current which is leaving from this node, so this node will be at the higher potential because current flows from high to low. So VA minus 12 upon the resistance between these two nodes, that is resistance V, R1, okay? So that in this way we will find out the current, that is IR1. Now for the case of IR2, we will write down, for this we will write down, we will see at node A minus reference 0, and the resistance between the node is R2. So simply we can write VA by R2. For resistor 3, IR3, which is this one. So here also we will take VA, which will be at higher potential, minus VDB divided by R3. So this is unknown. VA minus VDB means the voltage between this node D and reference node B, that is 6 volt by R3. So here we have in that way all these three equations, okay? After we will what do? We will substitute. We have these equations. We will substitute the value. Then we will receive this. This is first. This is second. And this is third. After that, we will substitute the equations we have found out in form of voltage and resistor, and we will equate it with 0, okay, as it was written. Just a second. Thank you so much. चाय ठंडी हो रही है, आ जाएगी। आपके पास कप नहीं, आप ले लेते? नहीं, आपको नहीं पीना? कप नहीं, ये धो के वाला ले लो, कांच वाला। और लाना है आपको चाय? मैं दूं पैसे? कुछ खाना है? नहीं नहीं नहीं, ये श्वेता मैम का। Now, after solving this, we will find out, because all the values of voltage were known, only VA is unknown. So VA will be 6.33 volt. Yeah. Now that you know the node voltage VA, you know the voltage across each element, you know the current through each element. Power calculations are straightforward. Okay, if you have two or more unknown nodes, you will have more equations to solve. You must always have one equation for each unknown node. Okay, so we will also see one more example. Yes, so here we have basically 1, 2, 3, 4 and reference node 5. We have total 5. Okay, out of 5 we will write down equation for these two nodes. Okay, so what are the values that we know? हेलो मैम मैं फिल कर रही हूँ, मैं ला रही हूँ. अच्छा मैं आने वाली थी, फिल करवा दो मेरा ये फॉर्म, फिल करवा दो. आपने कर लिया? मेरा अलग था ना, मेरा तो मैं मेरा आपके पास में कौन फाइल है यहाँ पे रखी? अच्छा मेरी है, एक देख और तुमने भी मेरी भेजा शायद. मैं अपना ना लेक्चर रिकॉर्ड कर रही थी, फिर मैंने पॉज किया तो मैडम आ गई. मैम एक बार कहाँ से निकाल के प्रॉब्लम कहाँ से लगती है? आज पे इस क्लास कौन आज नहीं हो रहा. नहीं ऐसा नहीं होगा, मैं कर देती हूँ उसमें, बस आप डालना लिंक उसमें. नहीं .com मत डालो, ऐसे वैसे कुछ नहीं. RGPV सिलेबस ऑफ दिस गूगल पे सर्च करो, ऑप्शंस आएंगे. मैंने क्विज सॉफ्ट कॉपी में है मेरे पास. मेरी फाइल ना कंट्रोल सिस्टम की उनके पास है, ये अभी ना ओपन है. हाँ रिकॉर्डिंग तो मैंने पॉज किया हुआ है अभी. मैं अगर नीचे जाऊंगी हिलूंगी तो वो डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाएगा. नीचे कंट्रोल सिस्टम की फाइल है, उसमें क्विज भी लगा है, कोर्स एंड सर्वे भी लगा हुआ है. नेहा मैम के पास है, वो दे देंगी. So if we'll see that VA is given, VB we have to calculate, and VC is also, VD which is reference is 0, and V also given, that is 4 volt. So out of these 4 nodes, we will write down equation for 2 nodes. Okay. So for first, at node B, we will see VB minus VA divided by 1 R1 plus VB by R2 plus VB minus VC divided by R3. And second जो हम node ले रहे हैं, that is the reference one, so that is understood, need not to write as such. So now VB minus VA, so VB is not known, VA we know, minus 3, and the value of R1, that is 1K, plus we have again VB which is not known, but we know value of R2, that is 2.2, that is given, plus VB, again not known. VC is 4 divided by the voltage between, it is R 1.5. Okay, 1.5 is equals to 0. So now we have this equation. Now we'll apply nodal at node C. So how it will come? VC, which is 4, VC which we need to calculate. So in that way, we will calculate and put the values, and these are the main two values through which we can find out the value of VB and VC. Thank you. If you have any doubt, any query, you can comment, and then we can discuss furthermore. Thank you so much.